Hi, this is Frank Lefebvre, founder of On Fire to Retire. I'm in my back office of Wealth Step by Step, and today is September 1st, 2022, and the beginning of a new pay period. So we're in phase 1, which includes levels 1 through 4, and we get paid $4 per person in your downline, no matter who put them in, okay? And I've never, in all my days, I've never been a fan of matrices, because they never fill up. But this particular one is all paid members. Okay, you don't have free members clogging things up that might never join. It's a nice, solid, tight ship of paid members. So just look at this. It's a 3x4, phase 1, and I didn't bring all these people in, but I get paid $4 on every one. 3 on level 1 is full. Level 2 holds 9, it's full. Level 3 holds 27, that's full. Level 4 holds 81, and look at that, there's 63 already. And we're already bleeding down through the levels 8, okay? So when someone joins under me, I'm filling level 4 right now on my matrix, okay? So like I said, we're at the beginning of a new pay plan, which starts every calendar month, the first day of the month. So there's $4. So we made $600 in fast start bonuses. And now the second month, we're starting the month at $368. We get paid on levels 2 through 4. 1 was paid out in fast starts, okay? So it's accounted for. So we get paid on levels 2, 3, and 4. Isn't that awesome? We're building a long-term residual income on a program that only costs $15 a month. Phase 2 is going to be levels 1 through 5. It's going to pay $4 a piece, and it's going to cost $20, but that $20 is going to come out of your commissions, not out of your pocket. You'll only ever pay $15 a month. Phase 3 is going to include levels 1 through 10, and it's going to pay a massive $5 per person per month, no matter who put them in. And the cost for that's going to be $70, again, out of your commissions, not out of your pocket. You only ever pay $15 per month. Okay, and the products are, get an email autoresponder for phase 1, you get a customizable lead capture page for phase 2, and 2 bottles of probiotics for stage 3. And I'm already using the product and it's great. Okay, back to this. If you're not a member, I'm telling you what, and you're looking for an honest program, the owner, Adam Walker, is the best guy to be running a program like this as there can be, because he cares about the little guy, and he made a program that's not going to cost you a lot out of pocket, and you're going to get into profit like really fast. So you get a $10 fast start for everyone you bring in, plus $4 per month for every person in your downline. And past your first 3, I only put 3 people under me directly. And everybody else, when you join my team, you go under somebody else. Okay? It's amazing. So this is yesterday, and this shows the one. This is cool because this shows the people in white are my direct referrals. Okay, and I'm filling level 4, like I said, and the people in yellow are either spillover or spill under. Spillover comes from above, and some of these people are from above me. And when these people sponsor, or any of these people sponsor, that's spill under. So you're going to get it from both ways. All you have to do is be patient and sit there and wait until it gets to you, which at the rate this is going will happen, but it's going to take time. Okay, so the best thing to do is to advertise your link. We have capture pages. You can use the same capture pages I'm using. You know, people don't know me from you, from Adam. Adam's the owner. The best thing you can do is advertise this, because people, you know, everybody on here in our niche is looking for ways to make money. And these people on traffic exchanges, they're on there because they're trying to make money. You show them this offer, and this is proof that people are accepting this offer. They're interested in this. Look at this. So that's it for today. If you're not a member of Wealth Step by Step, get signed up today. I'll have the link below. Thanks for watching. Talk to you soon.